Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. I'm here today with Beny Rabuchin with New American Funding. You hear the term, my clients will hear the term FHA loan a lot. What is that?
Sure. Well, the reason they're hearing it a lot is FHA loans have been around since the 1930s, which was really the first type of financing you can get when buying a home. FHA loans are different than conventional loans for the fact they're a little more lenient on the qualification process. For example, if maybe the credit history wasn't so great over the past few years, FHA will look at that in a more liberal manner than a conventional loan would. FHA typically allows for a little lower of a down payment, and this allows for a broader range of buyers.
Okay, so a little more flexible than maybe your standard conventional loan.
Very flexible type financing, yes.
Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you, Beny. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. Call us if you have any questions.